Hey you, and welcome to this video where I will help you out how to choose between XTB or Revolut investing. And before starting this comparison video, I want to make one thing clear, and that is that I won't tell you which platform is better. Both platforms are great to use, but they are totally different, and I will tell you on 5 different futures in today's video the differences between those two platforms. And then hopefully after those differences, you know exactly which platform is better for you to use. Then we start right here with the main focus. And the main focus on XTB is that XTB is a CFD and stock investing platform. Revolut Invest is more investing integrated with a digital banking app, and that is Revolut of course. And if we look to XTB is the best for active traders and CFD users, and Revolut Invest is the best for casual investors and Revolut users. So when you already have a Revolut account, I recommend you to use Revolut Investing for investing. And if you're totally new, you can decide if you want to create a Revolut account or an XTB account. Then if you go to the trading tools, and on XTB they have a advanced charting, CFDs, stocks and ETF tools, and on Revolut Invest they have stocks, ETFs and investing within the Revolut app. So that is also very nice when you're a Revolut user. Then if you go to the interface on XTB is trader focused and streamlined, and the interface on Revolut Invest is simple, modern and seamlessly integrated with banking, like I already said. Then if you go to the fees and trading costs, XTB has stock ETF trades, often zero commission within limits, and CFDs use spreads plus overnight fees. Then if you look to the fees and trading costs on Revolut Invest, they have limited commission-free trades on some plans. Additional trades and FX conversions may incur fees. So that's also very important to know. So if I'm be honest with you, many investors use XTB for active trading, CFDs and commission-free stock and ETF investing within limits. And many investors use Revolut Invest for a confident investing, stocks, ETFs and portfolio management alongside everyday banking. So hopefully after seeing this video, you know exactly right now which platform is better for you to use. So for now, thanks for watching and have a wonderful day. Ciao.